Hello everyone, welcome back to Space Engineers. Here in my warm space station. It's a good thing it's warm. Because, well, we're going to space. What is it? Ah, that's the Frontier Outpost. Taking this to space. Oops. There we go. Alright. Down we go. So, I had a couple thoughts. One quick thought is I need these stats on these things. Hydrogen thrusters. Be large. LMNOP. Here we are. What is this? Incomplete? Why is it red? Why is this one red? Anyway. Max required... Okay, max usage is 4.8 kiloliters per second. 7.2 meganewtons. Then we go over to hydrogen tanks. So these have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 15 million liters. So 1, 2, 3. So 15,000. Let's see. Kiloliters per. So for these guys, which aren't full. Okay, so output is maximum of 750 kiloliters, so they're not going to run out. Why is this red as well? Boost connector 4. Why are you... Do I not own that? Owner me. Owner. It's hard to see there. Did I go the wrong way? I think I did. There we go. Insert Callisto. Alright. I want to look at something that's not white background so I can actually see it. I pull up the... Really? Okay. assembler is still working. So, yeah, you can just barely see it. Oh, why are these red? Where's the merge dots? That is merged. That is merged. Oh. Why are you doing that? Anyway, so just under 5 kiloliters per second. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Making this one 8. This one may be like. Weird. No, that doesn't make any sense. Why that would not. Is it damaged? Damaged. And of course it's on this. I can't find my way off. There it is. Okay. This is large hydrogen thruster. Okay. Quick start to the stream. Okay. So, whoa. Oh, sun's going down. That's why. I think it's this one that's turning up red. But why? I couldn't tell you. It's not damaged. No? That's 11. What about this one? 3. 8. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. The connector shows up red as well. Unless it's just, you know, let's see. I think it's probably because I have such large grid. It's just... Okay, now. Production. So you're gonna go over to assembling, because we have the other, whatchamacallit. And you... So... There. 4,000 of each. Maybe 6,000 each. Right, build and repairs. Bobs. Come on. Okay. Fly mode. Grinder flow gets stuck. Right. Okay, so what I was thinking. So we've got 8 large thrusters, and they use 5 kiloliters per. Let's go take that. 5 kiloliters per second. Which would mean they're all good for 3 seconds currently. So 3,000 seconds. Now the question being, do we have enough thrust to get off the ground? That is the question, isn't it? First, we're going to put parachute hatches on the tops of our why am I trying to withdraw interior plate? Yeah, quit it with the conveyor sorter. Okay, well. And then, hopefully, if and when they fall back, they will either be eaten up by the build and repairs, or they will be salvageable once I come back. So 3,000. Right. That's 3,000 seconds per. No, that would be 6,000 seconds, wouldn't it? Because currently we have 2 hydrogen tanks for every thruster. Yeah. Not counting all the maneuvering thrusters. How much weight does how much weight will a meganewton lift? Okay, I need to put lights in here. Wait, I have lights in here. Why aren't they on? I mean, other than power issues. See, this one's red too. I think one of those is reading as a separate grid, even though the merge blocks are on. Which is fine, I guess. Right. So we need to find them again. There they are. Now, let's go find parachute hatches. Five cannons. They don't have 5 cannons. Can we get 5 cannons? Yeah, we can. Okay, so we need 5 cannons. Where is the canvas? Equipment? Yes. 2, 3, 4. Okay. All of them are supplied with canvas. What was I? Oh, I was gonna look something up real quick. Okay. So Newton is the SI unit of force and is defined as the force required to accelerate 1 kilogram mass by 1 meter per second squared. So roughly I need 1 Newton per kilogram. I think I'm doing that right. I think that sounds right. I could be way off. Probably am. I is not a real engineer. I just like to play one on computer. But, you know, learning. Science. Oh, science. Alright. So if we hop in the seat here. Whoa. Okay. If we hop in the seat, we are 3 million. Well, the weight is actually dropping. 3 million kilograms, roughly speaking. 3,200,000. So we need, let's see, a meganewton is a million newtons. We have 7. Earth thruster. Will it work? We got a certain sunflower coming towards us. Right, we need to see what are these. Fuel tanks, thrusters, lift thrusters, maneuvering thrusters, hydraulic connectors. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the control because parachutes. Oops. Parachutes. Auto deploy on off. Right now it's no, that's not a safe zone. That is actually a it's the shield mod, Mr. TK50. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that's the defense shields. I forget the version number now. But yeah, that's a shield bubble. Yeah, I was having issues with rebirth, so I collected enough platinum to get a shield going. Let's see. guess one way to do it is just try to take off. I think I am a ship. Yes. Alright. Oh, yeah. Yeah, stealing bases is fun. I am trying to get this, the idea has been to build a space station on the surface here and then launch it into orbit. And, the original design couldn't lift it off. I think it's Titan where I am. I've forgotten. It's been 50 episodes, so I have quite forgotten. Yeah, I don't play a lot of creative. I like designing in creative, but I don't go looking for bases most of the. Excuse me, can't talk. Most of the time. Well, thank you for watching. I'm gonna have to remind myself what I got on my bar. Okay. Well, let's give it a shot. So we'll turn on all the thrusters. And then let's see if we can increase override. I don't think there are. Oops. Ah. Come on. Let's, no, I don't think my thrusters are on. Okay. Hey, great. Start. Thrusters. 28 thrust blocks. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, I will probably look into that. Taking the experimental mode dropped off later. Okay, so we're missing a couple? No, all of them. Okay, save. Now let's oh, okay. Well, I will what? I'll do that now. I mean, let's see. Oh, nope, never mind. Sweet. Thank you. What was I doing? Right. Let's see. Toggle block auto. Right. Okay, so let's try this again. Sounded like it ignited. So now I don't think it's doing anything. Thrusters. Yep, that would be it. Okay, I just realized what I was doing wrong. Okay. So, we need to take the tanks off of stockpile first. But yes, you can learn a lot from a stream. I have learned quite a bit. Oops. Including what I just learned from you. Okay, so we're gonna turn stockpile off for a moment. And then we're going... Oh, I had all 16 fuel tanks on stockpile. So it didn't matter if I turned on all the thrusters, they weren't going to get any fuel. That unknown signal just about dropped on top. It is 1 kilometer away. But we're going to space. So, let's try this again. Take 2. There we go. Cool. Well, at least I know I have enough thrust. I guess we're going straight to space. We are already at 100. Slow down. I mean, decrease the thrust. Wow, that's a lot of thrust. And I used 1% there. That's good. Well, here we go. Space. See, where's my oh, there it is. 6,000 meters up. Let's see where's my gravity. Yeah, planetary gravity is still 1.0. Oh wow, this is fun. I don't even need to. I don't even need to release the boosters. I don't think, because I'm not using the 8 originals. Okay, now we're losing something. Stabilizing at 77. Oh, now we're getting more. Losing planetary gravity. Lose power up there. 16 times. Why is that really bad? I'm gonna feel really silly if I don't have arrows. How's that arrow? Ah, they're all off. Well, that would explain it. Power problems earlier. There we go. Oh, I'm playing in the water. I got a lot of playing going on. Planetary gravity is down to 0.4. Can lay off a little bit more hydrogen. We have a ton of hydrogen. I have way too much hydrogen for what I was trying to do. I think part of it is I kind of overdid it. Yeah, well, it's been an adventure because, see, if you look at the outside of the space station here, the all of those turrets look like they're on little platforms or whatever. That's because initially, I had it covered in heavy armor as my defense against breathers. Because the initial design was the walls were all glass, like you can kind of see around these. The corners are hydrogen tanks surrounded by glass. And initially it was all glass, and then somebody came and shot it up because I've got I had several different NPC mods on initially. I suppose I should start thinking about where I want to put this. I wouldn't want to run into an accident. There was. Yep. Come on. There's. Here. Put it over by that planet. Eventually. So yeah, it's like somebody came and shot it up. So did I install any down frizzles? Yes. I have 4 on the top. There's one in each corner. They're just small. Basically, I was worried about getting too space because I tried taking them off with all that heavy armor. And needless to say, it didn't go very well with only 4 thrusters. 4 large thrusters on top. But then I think I overdid it by putting 4 boosters on and removing all the heavy armor. So, at least we got space. Really, really easy. So we're running at 4% thrust right now. And going 100 meters a second. So, yeah, once I got up here, I was going to redesign this. Come on. I was going to redesign it a little bit. Because there's not really any armament on the bottom. Because, okay, I'm going to turn those off. Yep, so I let my maneuvering thrusters slow me down. So, I am now in loot. Yep. It's going to take me a while to slow down, I think. Come on. As long as there's no asteroids that I'm going to run into. That's right. So I should probably let's see. How far away is that in signal? 41? 42 kilometers? Okay. So 42 kilometers up. Oh. That's alrighty. Sweet. And I am now stationary. Ooh. Yep. I haven't used the modular thrusters myself, but I have watched people that use them, and they're pretty cool. So, I am in. I think this is what that is. So now, let's, whoa! Wait. Excuse you. Do I not? I don't have her. Oh. Of course. Power issues. I turned everything off. Okay, I'm gonna go through and turn everything on. Because I'm not sure what a Brembo is, but I will take your word for it that it's really awesome. Okay, fully depleted in 4 days. That's fine. These are all on. Gravity generator. Let's turn that on. Hydrogen engines are off, but we can turn them on because we have tons and tons and tons of hydrogen. Okay. I'm gonna have to go through. I suppose I could just grab everything and say turn it on. Let's see. There we go. Now everything should be on. Alright. Assembler 2, stop taking stuff apart. Because that's not going to be necessary. And now... Okay, we've got artificial gravity. I wonder if it's set to the correct parameters. Gravity generator. So many things. So G is before I, but after H. No? Nope, it's before... Okay, it's right there. It's two away. Oh my gosh. Alright, so... Show on HUD? No. Suppose I could just max it. I can't see it on HUD. The station doesn't have an antenna either. Oh, Lamborghini brakes. Okay. Yeah, that would do it. High end. Alright. So we need to now that we're in orbit reapply the heavy armor. Actually, do I want to do that, or do I want to move into something else? No, I don't have any remote control either. I think I'll put an antenna on the inside, though. Let's see. Where are the antennas? Here. Parish catch. Let's go for compact. Yeah, let's go for compact. Okay. And then... Yeah, a remote is useful if... I'm missing... Yeah, I am. I'm missing blocks there. Oops. That's not good. That's my control room. Okay. So, yeah. I might need to fix this up. And that's a light armor block. I didn't realize I had light armor there. I replaced all the interior stuff with interior, but... heavy armor. It's gotta be the heavy armor. Lucy? Who's Lucy? Alright, what was I... Let's see. Yeah, that's... Okay. Yeah. Oops. Steel plate. Cannot withdraw one motor, of course. I have parachute hatch in mind. Okay. So, steel plate. I might have to... Okay, so there's some steel plate in the system. But since I took a lot of stuff out... Oh, 50,000 iron? No, I don't need to go down. And 48,000 steel plate? Not at all. Yeah. Just give me all the steel plate. Not to mention I can take off the ramp and the other things. Actually, I don't think the ramp has steel. I'm gonna leave that open for the moment, so I can actually get back on board. And I'm going to be careful about putting stuff there. Like this way, I will be able to catch the boosters once they are out of fuel. I'm correct in my calculations. Alright. Check. I have to remember that I don't have unlimited oxygen out here in space. Uh-oh. Yep. Grind that. There we go. Yep. Alright. So, now, you are light armor blocks.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
No! Oh no! Well, I guess those are... Oh, nope. They might have been grabbed. Maybe. It wasn't blue. It's supposed to be blue if it's grabbing components. So... They might have grabbed. Alright, so we got a bunch of thrusters down here that I think we're gonna have to get them. Alright, paint it pink. Oh no. I started grinding something down. And, got the inventory full. message. And I think it was a pile of shucks, brain, what? Metal grids. It was a I think it was a pile of metal grids that suddenly went to the planet. Yeah, that's unfortunately my. You know what? I'm gonna take out these large hydrogen thrusters, because you might as well not burn that fuel from the boosters if you don't need boosters. Yeah, unfortunately my internet is not the greatest, so sometimes it freezes on Twitch, but yeah, say I started grinding away, thinking, oh, I'll just put some more stuff in my inventory, forgetting, of course, that I completely filled my inventory. What am I looking for? Paint. Light gray, battered armor. Yes. Alright. So, keep painting, or not painting, placing heavy armor. Because shields are great, but power hungry. And until I get better, or not a better source of power, but I don't want to say a more reliable source of power either, because I've got solar panels on. It's just they're not. Oh, what was that? Assert red. What does it say? Red Wrangler? Assert Red Wrangler. No. We'll see. If you get close enough. The M66s up top will start tearing into you. Now that I'm in orbit, probably upgrade to the M40s as well. Yeah, solar is interesting. It's like, it is it doesn't require fuel, which is good for early game, but personally I go for wind turbines instead. Especially if you've got weather turned off, they don't stop producing. But
well, inventory full.
Yeah, that gravity, that artificial gravity is powerful. Alright, so...
Energy low.
Energy low. Yeah, weather is... It's weird in Space Engineers. It's like an interesting idea, but not quite implemented right. Wait a second. Are those lights on? They aren't. Why not? Why are you off? I'll have to. Well, I'm gonna go sit in the power chair. Go sit in the power chair for a bit. All right. 100% oxygen. Okay, good. We're not floating. So interior light on. Now, why are you off? Huh. I thought I grabbed everything and turned it on. Yeah. I mean, this is actually, I think. Oh, hello. Computer? You decided to stop working. Okay. This is actually, I think, the first time that I've actually played in survival and actually had to have a artificial gravity block. I've designed a couple of things in creative and put artificial gravity on. Oh, those are interior turrets. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, I say if I could see the field, the artificial gravity field. Let's see. Automatic management. Huh, that must be an upgrade. Anyway, let's see. Broadcast shield status to HUD. Yeah, that's got to be my my poor internet. Not. Okay. So visible on hit. Okay. All right, we have an antenna on here now. Why? See now, why are the hydrogen tanks broadcasting? That doesn't make any sense. There's that red Wrangler moving away. Of course, I can't see him. There he is, up near the sun. Why are you guys broadcasting? Because I have it set to show on HUD. Why? That doesn't make any sense. Alright. Compact antenna. Show ship name. Broadcast radius. That's 5 kilometers. I think it's 42 to the planet surface. What? 50K. That'll work. Well, no. 200 kilowatts. Gotta be power conscious. You know what? Let's do... my threat level may be too low. Well, the Assert, they kind of just go around doing their own thing most of the time. They don't usually come after me Now that I'm in orbit, I might turn reavers back on just for the sorry, got distracted by the scrolling numbers. Just for the fun of it. What was I in here for? Gravity generator. Info. Show. Whoa. Yep, there it is. Hello. Alright, so let's see if we can fix this. Because we do not need artificial gravity all the way out to Kingdom Come. 63. That's what that one is. This one, I don't mind having a little bit more on the top. Oh yeah, the tank's broadcasting. Yep, I did finally figure that one out. Like what is going on here? But yeah, I finally figured it out. Field width. Need to bring it down to 65. Take a little peek at that. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah, one of my big problems is I was an idiot and built this even. Which I think I'm gonna have to redo it. Basically build a whole nother station in orbit. I have not created a clang drive yet. I actually have just I just watched another YouTuber. Well, he streams on Twitch and YouTube, but I watch him on YouTube. I just watched him make a clang drive. He doesn't usually use them because he likes the engineering challenges. But you know, I'm gonna leave this like this for now. No, I'm gonna pull it in a little bit more. So gravity generator. I am about to. What am I about to create a clang drive with? Okay. Oh, on this? Oh, you're talking about the artificial gravity generator? Is that what you're talking about? No, that one's already on the bottom. I'm gonna turn this off, Sean. Oh, interesting. Oh, wait, what? I discovered who? Interesting. RVMG business shipment. Cool. I should probably make sure all my weapons aren't targeting neutrals. Target neutrals off. Good. Target neutrals off. Good. CWIS. Target neutrals off. Okay, good. Oh, M66. Which are... I think the 155s. Yeah. Okay. Well, that is good to know. I will try to remember. So if I try to land and engage the landing gear, but would I need to engage the landing gear, assuming I don't need to lock it down, if yeah, I will probably redo this because I would actually like it to be an odd number across so that I can center things nicely. And then basically the control room in the center would be artificial gravity, but then any docking areas on the outside would be come on, really? Any docking area would not be covered by the gravity generator, because the gravity generator is basically a quality of life thing for me moving around on the inside of the station. But yeah, I appreciate that heads up, because I would not have had any idea. So I probably would have tried to land something on the outside with the gravity generator working and gone for a ride. Alrighty. So, with all those missing, I could have just walked out here. Hello. I didn't realize you... Oh, well... It doesn't make... It does make kind of sense. Ooh, don't walk through there. That seems like a bad idea. Falling through the hole and falling into space. But yeah, I could have walked out. Oh no. Oh, I've blocked this one up. Yeah. Oof. Oh no. That sounds like a lot of work. I'm sorry to hear that. I imagine that would have been painful. Having to chase down all those. Ah, yep. Oh, I've got this entire side done. It's going pretty good. I wonder, thinking about that, I still want to make a, what? Oh, okay. I'm gonna make a new station. Hello. You're missing something. Really? You're missing a turret here. Interesting. Alright. Yeah, I can see how that would, be something that, just slips your mind. It's like, oh, say I got my stolen station here. I'm gonna just hook it up real quick, and then, say everything does a shimmy, and all of a sudden you're, oh, oops, I forgot about that. I honestly did not know, so it would have been a legit, not a legitimate accident. What's the word I'm looking for? I can't think. There's no actual point. I can imagine. But, say sometimes the experiences like that are the most fun. Like, the things that, in my opinion, say things where stuff happens that you don't intend, and then you spend a bunch of time having to fix it, and you go, oh, really? Oh, is he? Okay, yep. That's something that I haven't... What is this? Why do I have a T-junction there? Weird. I don't know why I have a T-junction there. Yeah. Definitely a learning experience. I kind of want to mark this. You know what? We'll just leave it up. I'm not sure why I had it there. Leave it open. It's like I'm going around the booster rockets. That was supposed to be ditched to the planet. Hello. This looks bugged. Okay. That's not supposed to be like that. Oh yeah, definitely a steep learning curve. But, you know, it's like, that's part of the fun of it. Oh yeah. Say I love just, you know, say the opportunity to, you know, try out engineering concepts, because I said this earlier in the stream. I don't have any engineering background, but I love playing, you know, it's like figuring things out and being an engineer. So this game is, you know, it's like perfect because I can sit here and go, how many thrusters does it take to lift a heavy armor space station off of a 1G planet? What spawned it? Nothing? Yeah, so yeah, I find it immensely entertaining. Right. Yep. Yep. It's like problem solving. It's like, yep, I got it. And then you get to the other part where it's um, all right now. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Say I'm a driver, a truck driver myself, so it's like I don't get a lot of opportunities to, you know, just play around with stuff, but let's do it this way. No. Okay, so we'll just head out for size. Put myself on this. Oh, nice. Thank you for your service. The problem with this is...
Energy low.
Energy is... I am on a skip light. Nice. Hmm. You know, I'm not against it. Okay. We do need energy. Where is my ramp? Really? It's gonna be on the last one I check? Ooh, shucks. Computer. Don't do this to me. Alright. There we go. And now, get run up here. See, I have a jump drive for moving around the solar system. I had an idea, once I got this to space, that I would go and do things in other... computer? Hello? Hello? Yeah, I might do that. I might build a small craft. What we got going? A bulky bin. Yeah. Stay outside of, I think, 3... I think I have it set to 3K. Stay outside of 3K and we just fine with each other. Right now I'm fine with running back inside for power, because then it tops off the oxygen tube. Since I don't have a bottle on me. I think there's one in the system. I just haven't grabbed it. But say right now, ooh, shucks. We lost artificial gravity. Right now, I can go over here and start. Hold on a second. What do I got in my inventory? Where's all this stuff from? Lovely. Alright, let's go dump all this nonsense off. I don't know where that came from. It's weird. I mean, the metal grids, I think, are from here.
Inventory full.
Oh, perhaps don't keep grinding when your inventory is full. And don't just dump everything. Here. There we go. Oops. That's full. Yeah, we'll just put it in there. Okay. And...
Inventory full.
Ow! Okay. And Bob grabbed it. Of course. Let's see. There we go. Alright. So now... I was working on the bottom, wasn't I? Okay. So I was working on that side. I went all the way around the station. The problem with a mock control station on the bottom floor is only the upper level there is pressurized. So if I want to get oxygen, I have to go up to that. And kind of the same idea with a small ship would be the problem being I don't. I would have to make it give it some sort of oxygen supply somehow if I wanted to refill my oxygen from it. So, oh, forgot. That's that. Okay. What was I doing? Here we are. So I was doing that, and then do that. Kind of feels a little wasteful, but at the same time, it looks cool. I could use a sealed cockpit, but how would I get oxygen into it? See, that would be my problem. So, getting an oxygen supply on the ship, on the little ship. Hello? My computers. There we go. My computer is not liking it now. I'm making it do lots of things. True. I could take a connector and connect up, but I would have to... Wait, don't I have a connector? Where would it be? Is it over here? No. Oh, here? Ooh. You're just out of range, dude. I had a connector there. Yeah, I could put a connector on and then oh, are you saying like just attach a connector or excuse me, a utility cockpit like right here? So like that one, I think the attachment's on the top. Yeah. Yeah. That's not a bad idea. Because if we just pivot it, and then we have the build and repairs put it together, and say that one I'm going to replace the conveyor junction anyway. Now I've got a place to get power and oxygen. Good call. Good call. Thank you. I did not think of that. And it will save time. I'm starting to wonder if this is all just a waste of time though, because I'm thinking of, or I'm going to build a new space station anyway. No, first I'm going to go around the outside. There we go. Yeah. I will have... Really? Wow. What the... Really? Oh my gosh. I must be getting tired or something. Yeah, I'll have this to operate from and to steal components from while I build. Four Buffalo Girls. What? What do we... I'm not understanding that one. Wow, my computer is not happy with me. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not familiar with the song, so I might have to look that one up. The reference. Oh, hello. I'm gonna leave that open just so that it's easier to find. Because I can see myself wandering around going, where's my guy? Wow. Space engineers. Oh. What the? Oh, okay. We'll be here for a bit.
Energy low.
Alrighty. Almost done. And that's... Alright, the outside is done. Where is my... There it is. My cockpit. Oxygen filled. Hydrogen filling, or energy filling. Thanks to Mr. TK50 for this wonderful idea. Alright, so now I just need to do the insides of these. got somebody coming in fast. Search Sojourner. Well, like I told everyone else, beware. Once you get within 3Ks, my defenses open up. Really? There we go. Ooh, you might get within 3Ks. Might get some action. Might test how good these shields are. That was not right.
Inventory full.
There's that. Sojourner. Ooh, he's getting close. I've got modded turrets on. They're the Halo mod, which I think these ones I think are 1.5K, but the ones on top should be 3. I will double check that actually. Yeah, aiming radius 3K, which they shouldn't be taking pot shots at. Do you not have ammo? Use conveyor system off. What turned that off? they are getting close enough to ask me out on a date. Are you going to do your job? That Sojourner is within range. Unless you're broken. No ammo. Okay, what ammo? AP ammo. Nobody has any ammo? Well, that would explain it. Oops. I am going to... Okay, so we'll take all of these guys. We'll say... aiming radius, we'll go down to 2K, which is outside of vanilla turrets. Track angular motion. Where's that? Oh. Yeah, I suppose. That makes sense. I guess I never actually saw that. Thank you. Well, I'm gonna have to go look at everybody else. The assembler is on. I just... Because I don't have Izzy's. Because Izzy's doesn't like to play with... it doesn't like to play with the build and repairs. At least it didn't back when I was watching somebody else. So, I have thought about switching over to 10 magnesium for them. 100 iron, 16 nickel, 10 magnesium, and so it requires more iron and more nickel, which I can get just grinding up an asteroid. Let's make 100. They're just armor piercing. So, but yeah, so we'll keep them rather short range for now. Where was I? Underneath. See, I got that one. I got that one. I got that one. This one. Okay. This one is the last one. Well, I'm glad that happened with, Yep. I have heard good things about Izzy's. I just haven't played with it much myself. So, I've kind of gotten used to the build and repairs on this series, and I haven't... I'll probably try to play around and see if they don't play nice anymore, or if, cannot talk. I cannot talk. I will have to try and play around and see if they play nice now. Because if they do, that would be way easier to just set a certain amount of an item. Okay. Got mouse drift. So I never actually run out of stuff. Would have been very helpful earlier. Was it last episode? Either the last episode or the episode before, when I was grinding up or disassembling thousands of steel plates to try to reduce the weight. Oops. That was the wrong one. And that needs steel. Steel plate out of here. What on earth is in my inventory? My inventory is full of metal grids. Get those out of my inventory. Steel plates. Ooh. We're running on cobalt. Oh, well, we got 70 rounds of AP. Here's a bunch of steel plates. Alright. Well, yeah, quota. Oh. Yep. Yep. I could have done all that from the cockpit. I wasn't thinking. Oops. One of these days I'll get organized. Oh, my computer. There we go. I kind of want to get all of this armored up just so that I can see how much it weighs. Once all of the...
Energy low.
low energy. The bane of the space engineer. Can I get to the other side before I hit critical energy?
Energy critical.
Uh-oh. Nope. I can't hit the other side before I hit critical energy. Might be able to finish it before I run out of it. Because it's over here somewhere, I think. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I think it's in front of that turret there. We got 3% left. I just have to place the blocks. Yes! I did it. We're still only 3.5 million kilograms. It's going up though. Okay. Now, whoa. Oh, that's my planet. So now let's go place the... Alright. Okay, so we need to go around the outside here, but this one, because it has... Well, no. I wonder if I should replace those with large hydrogen thrusters. Nah. Nah, we'll just do this for now. Okay. Oops. Come on, computer. Don't freeze on me now. Ooh. There we go. Thank you. There we go. Come on. There we go. Oops. Okay, there we go. Oops, too far. There we go. Oh, and this will be so satisfying to get this all completed. 'Cause I will be in space and up armored, and I need steel plate. You give me steel plate. If you have any. Do we have any? No, hide empty. Let's see. We've got silver. Yeah, we've got 43,000 tons of iron. Or 43,000 kilograms. I don't know. I'm not sure that's tons. Let's see. Production. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm gonna have to steal it as it comes out. Oh no, wait. I don't have to steal it as it comes out. I can go grind off those other things. Alright, come right here. Excuse me? Computer? Hello? Hello? There we are. There we go. Alrighty. Three. There we go. Alright. Here. Hello. Okay. So, where were we? Over here. Gonna have to sign off here pretty quick. Getting pretty late for me. But success. I got Singularity Station into orbit. The up armoring is going well. And I will be prepared for building a upgraded station. There we go. Can we get this at least laid out before I have to get off? Time to go grind.
Inventory full.
That's a light armor block. Okay. 3. There we go. Let's go see what this is. This is heavy.
Energy low.
Energy is low. Where is my... There it is. Uh-oh. I'm gonna die. Yeah, we'll just do that for now. Alright, 3. Where were we working? Alright, so flip it. Oops. Hi. I guess I will not fly. Which now makes a certain amount of sense. Why use it for hydrogen? When you have artificial gravity. A certain amount of sense. Okay, so around. Go around. There is the shield module. Ah! I got myself stuck. Oh, no. on, computer. Oh, I've dropped a lot of frames. Ooh, shucks. Okay, well. Now, everything else. Hmm. 8. Alright, so let's go grind down some more. Naset Cordoba. I'll dump the grids, which, if I remember correctly, the grids were the problem the first time around.
Inventory full.
Almost done. That's all right. Yeah, it's a little late for me. I'm gonna be wrapped up here in probably about 10 minutes. But I appreciate you hanging out. That's nice. Alrighty. We have placed, I think, all of the up armor along the outside. So it is completely up armored. We're gonna go in here and paint these little legs pink. So that we can reclaim the materials. And I think next time I will probably end up doing probably kind of a cheaty run to the surface. I was thinking that I could use the backspace teleporter to get down there, and then actually if I put a door in there, if I put a door on top of there, I could make it yeah, 2 a.m. here too. Backspace teleporter is respawn, basically. But I was thinking of doing that to go down to the planet, because last episode I was designing a rocket to boost materials up to orbit for the station, because I figured I'd run out of materials. Let's see, doors. Yeah. I'll just do... Actually... There we go. There we go. And then... Doors on 8. Offset door there.
Energy low.
No, I don't think those are... That might be not what I wanted. Yeah, I don't think that's what I wanted. Unfortunately.
Inventory full.
Okay, let's dump most of what I have in my inventory. Computers, displays, motors, small steel tools, structure components, bulletproof glass, and 300 different. Alright, so now we'll do the sliding doors. Because I'll create an airlock. Now, I don't know if this is... airtight. But I think it is. Because originally I planned it that way. So, let's give it a shot. Let's try something out here. Go up top.
Energy critical.
Yes, I'm aware that my energy is. Leave that one open for now. Park myself in here. While I a second. Why is my oxygen not filling? Oops. Wrong button. No. Come on. Hello? Computer? Hello? Thank you. Oxygen is not filling. Why is it not filling? Wow. I might be in trouble. My oxygen is running low. No, the tank is not running low. You're just not doing your job? Weird. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm really dropping frames and all that. And pressure's 100%. So we'll do a quick test here. Is this sealed? Area is sealed. Yep. So the entire station is now sealed. Just with that opening. That airlock there. Sweet. Alright. Well, I'm gonna call it there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me as we finally put the Singularity into space. We will take a quick peek at our production and see what we are hung up on. We need a ton of iron. 176,000. We need almost 20,000 nickel and just shy of 12,000 cobalt. Yep. We need lots. We could take apart steel tubes. Get some iron. Silicon. And get some nickel out of them. Yeah. Well, it's been fun. Hang on. You're still making some... Oh, you've got 60 cobalt sitting here. An assembler too. Why don't you move that cobalt? Wow. Over to the station assembler. And the nickel. Yeah, we're low on iron. So, I guess next time we will probably head down to the planet again. Probably using the kind of cheaty backspace teleport, but I haven't decided yet. And bring up some raw materials to finish up armoring the station and work on the upgrade to Singularity 2. And with that, I'm going to say good night. Thank you all for watching. I will see you next time. Possibly in the next year. Goodbye now.